Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here once again. Back with the S2K. Back with another one for the S2K. So what we're gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be installing fuel pump and injectors. And yeah, fuel pump and injectors. We're also gonna be, I think that's about it. After that, I'm just gonna tidy up a couple things that I need to tidy up here and there, and then we're gonna just a step closer to finishing with the turbo. We would just need at that point piping and yeah, basically piping for the exhaust and the intercooler. And then just running some lines from the wastegates here or there, and then after that we would basically be done. But let's get to it, and yeah. Oh fuck. Fuck. I smashed my finger pretty fucking bad. It hurts. I had to take a break because this shit was hurting like bad. Like fuck. But god damn it, man. This shit. Alright, so I got the fuel rail out. So supposedly these injectors I got, they're like straight, just plug and play. We're about to test that out. If not, they did come with some of this shit. I'll figure it out. First one, let's check it out. So, no. Alright, so the injectors I had ordered, I thought, well, not that I thought, they were supposed to be plug and play. They didn't end up, they don't match the fucking, the plug on this side from the harness. So what that means, they send this whole fucking like connector kit. Now I have to go get wire all this in there and make a connection, then get that wire, go to the stock harness over there and splice it, cut, and fucking then run it through, and that's a whole nother damn, I did not want to get into. The people would buy these and they'd be straight up like just plug and play. Right now that's not the case, which means I had to get all these situated so they can, from the line, so they can fit the, get it to fit this shit. So let me take a break. Let me figure out what I'm gonna do, cause this gets in the way of plans. Alright, so I came to the back because the front obviously is gonna need a little bit more work, and I'm hoping the back has easier, like I said before, but I mean, it didn't turn out. This pump is supposed to be plug and play, but I mean, I don't know, we'll see. I guess we'll see how this turns out. So I got the cap off and unplugged that right there to the fuel pump. So now I'm gonna go in there, disconnect the hoses, and there's 10mm bolts all around the edge that I gotta disconnect. Also, when you're doing this on an S2000, there's a panel up here. You can go inside. I was able to take it off, so it gives you more room, and you'll be able to push it out of the way once you pull out the fuel pump, so that way you can bring it out through over here instead of having to go through over there. Now, if you got a hard top, it'll be easier because you can take off the top, do it from the top, no problem. But I don't have that. That's not the case, so I have to do it this way. So now let's continue. Alright, so this is the new one. There is this cable just in case it don't fit, like injector, so we're about to see if it fits or not. I'm hoping it does. I'm really hoping it does. It will make life way much easier, but like always, you gotta run into certain problems like this. Let me check it out. Oh, it's out. I got it out. So I feel like I fucking hate this sometimes. Sorry. I feel like sometimes nothing really goes your way. So alright. So I'm back. We're back. I'm back in the office. I took a break. Probably I wasn't able to finish doing the fuel pump or the injectors today as I had planned, because I had to go get, well, it was all supposed to be plug and play. Somehow it just didn't end up being that way, so I'm going to have to solder some stuff together. I could easily do it like crimping and whatnot with the butt connectors, but I don't like doing that. I don't like doing it. I would rather solder them so then they're in there securely. I know they're in there good and they got a good connection. But for now, came back to the office. Jamie's here. Yep. Unfortunately. So she's been working on this all day, or she's been doing these. We got these cool little Terasukawa keychains. Look, most of you know what these are. They use them for decor in your car. We decided to make them into some kind of keychain. We also got the actual bigger ones. We got some of those right there. She had made more of these keychains right here. These are pretty dope. But yeah, so for now we're just gonna work on some stuff for this. Gonna work on some stuff for the this car meet that we're gonna go to and sell. So that should be fun. I don't know. Hopefully I get that 2000 there.
I found them.
Oh look, here's some of the. Let me see that. These aren't the final product, but these are some Terasukawas we have right here.
And then
my camera's been
dark, but it's not. Okay.
You have this black and green, half black, half green. I mean, camera's not been focusing lately.
And then I have this red one, which I need to give this.
There it is. They still need to get sanded down, buffed and polished. There's another one. This is a glow in the dark. See if we can get it to glow in the dark a little. There you go, kind of. But those are it. We got more over here.
I feel like I have so many.
We got more right here. These are, I don't know what is this shape?
Sakura flower.
A sakura flower, but this ones are dope. This one is not glow in the dark. No, is it?
No, that's just jade.
Okay, this is just jade.
A jade color.
Then we got rose gold and some cool. So the thing Jamie did, she started inserting photos within these. Okay, she started inserting little pictures in there. Once they get polished, you can see them better. But it's pretty dope. We got a whole black one with like this whole like anime comic looking one. It's pretty dope. Oh, here it is. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is turning out really good. They're turning out actually really good. There's progress. We got some red ones over here. Like we got a lot actually.
I have more in my drawer.
So we should have a good amount. We're trying to experiment with where's the light one? It doesn't turn on, huh?
Yeah, it does.
Oh yeah, it does. So here we have this light one. I forgot what happened. Oh, it broke. But yeah, this is a light up one. So we're kind of onto something with this one. We just need to work on it more. But yeah, this one's actually pretty cool when it's in camera. This was the first one where we started with the idea for the broken heart. This thing looks like a little, I don't know what, but yeah, so this is the first one we ever tried starting. This is the idea, and then we got from this one to this one. And oh, actually we went from this one to, where's there a blue one? I think this one.
Oh yeah, that one.
To this one, and then from this one we went to this one. So we've made really good progress. It's pretty dope. You know, it's a trial and error kind of thing, but we're doing it. We've made it. So, or we're making it. Then we definitely have a lot, which is pretty cool.
I know, I didn't realize I had this many. What the fuck? I felt so I don't know like how to fix it per se.
By the way, if you ever feel like buying any of this stuff, we will be putting some of these up on our website, as well as some of these Terasukawas, which would be right there. That's our link, or we'll link in the bio, whatever one. Check it out. We also have more products that we're selling. Alright guys, it's late already. It's 10 o'clock. We finished up sanding and doing what we could. So now we're going to bed. Get ready for tomorrow. Wake up and oh shit. Oh, damn. Get started for tomorrow. But anyways, thank you guys. And look, there's a kind of finished one. That polished and everything. That one too. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. Bye.